Hey guys, it's Dylan with Millennium Sounds. Today we're here at our Motor District Garage Condo in Westfield, Indiana for our open house and race simulator night presented by Homes with Style.
Gotta love American muscle.
That's why it's nice. Thank you to everyone that made it out tonight. The Tony Kanaan Simulators were firing on all cylinders. Shout out to Homes with Style and Field of Dreams for sponsoring the event. We couldn't do it without you guys. Everyone had a ton of fun on the simulators. We had a bunch of fast times. Stay up to date. Follow us on our YouTube and social media channels for more content. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Thanks, guys.